Hi.
Keep that going.
So this is the first for my channel. You guys have never actually seen my face. Hello. So yeah, in this video I decided to do an Easter basket for my niece. Yeah, this is how it turned out. So yeah, now I'm just getting this cute purple and pink little Easter grass that I found at the dollar store. It was like the smallest bag they had. I ended up using hardly any of it. I ended up mixing both colors up just so that it had more color and it wasn't all just pink. I mixed them up together until it was full enough to pretty much hold all the things that I wanted at a good height. I wanted things to pop out. I didn't want them to just kind of sit inside the bucket. Oh look, piece of candy. Yes, please. Woohoo! I got these cute little toys. This is like a cow pig little pillow. It flips itself. This is a cute little bunny. Boop, boop. Now I'm just rearranging both of them, trying to figure out the placement. Now this strap, I really don't like it. I don't like the plain white. So I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna decorate it. I have this cool purple floss, embroidery floss that I kind of have laying around. Just some cute color that I thought would match. And I just ended up wrapping it all the way around throughout the whole thing. And now I have this flower I have laying around too, and I just kind of popped that sucker off and used some hot glue and glued it on. You can use any strong glue that'll hold. And now I have to get ready. And I look exactly the same. Nothing happened. Yeah, I'm just wearing a flannel and a t-shirt. Gotta rep that Nirvana. Got some jeans on. Just didn't do anything really. Alright, we're gonna go show her now. What do you want to show me? Huh? What's up? You already know what I have, huh? What? This?
Yeah, so we already have to buy a new grinder.
What is it? She's going in.
Oh my goodness. Get your other stuff out. Look, show mama.
She's like,
She's going
yeah.
after all the candy. Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh. What's up with the animals?
She's like, look.
Chocolate.
Look at. Do you see the cow? Where's the cow?
She's like, I'm not interested in anything other than the chocolate.
Look at the cow. Ooh. Moo.
Can you say moo? Can you say moo? Say moo.
Little mumble.
Say moo.
What is that?
Look.
Ooh.
No, it's my favorite. It feels good.
It looks like a hamster or some shit.
Oh, she has like one kind of like this. She likes it. Look at it.
It's so squishy.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Oh. Can you say oink? Look, now it's a pig.
Ooh.
Say oink,
Now it's a
oink.
pig.
You got all the chocolate.
You gotta-
Piece of cat.
Oh yeah.
We have to melt your chocolate and dip some fruit in it, huh?
Yeah, cause
No, his mom got her like
a big one.
a giant one. What else do you got in there? I see more stuff. Moo. Good job. What else do you got? You get peeps?
Do you like it?
Thank you.
Does your dad have any with camera?
Oh yeah, of course.
Can you blow
I need
kisses?
some work done.
Blow kisses.
Well, no shit, but it's only 2 small parts.
No.
Yeah.
Blow kisses.
I think he can get you a part too if you need it.
No, I haven't. I just
We just need to put him
You want it open. You hungry?
She's like, why?
She's like, open.
Yeah, let's give you a piece.
She's
of
like,
it
oh
that you
wait,
already
there's
opened.
one more.
Oh my god, peep peep. You say peep?
Can you say peep?
Oh yeah, there he is.
Okay, well you enjoy that. So yeah, that's what I did. She honestly really liked it, and she started eating the candy immediately. After that, I stopped recording. She kept asking me to open the peeps for her. Mama wasn't having it, so honestly wish I was like recording her still after, because she enjoyed it so much, and she kept playing with the toys too. Oh, I love her. But yeah, anyway, you can find everything I used for the basket at the dollar store. I went to the 99-cent store down the street from my house. Oh wait, no, actually we didn't. We went somewhere else. But it was still a 99-cent store. But everything was $1 except for like maybe like a toy, which was like $2, and that was pretty much it. Everything else was $1. We didn't spend that much on it. But you can do it too. It's affordable, and honestly, I just decorated it with stuff I found around my room. No shame in that. Peace out, like the video, share, subscribe. See you guys later. Bye.